Good morning, welcome.
Thank you
How
very
is your
much.
day so far?
My day is good, and how is yours?
It's great, thank you. So, today's meeting is about your annual appraisal. I believe, as per our company policies, we always conducting employee performance review every after 6 months. So, this is your day. Okay, so feel free.
Thank you.
Having said that, let's start. I'm going to ask a few questions about your performance.
Certainly.
Tell me, how do you think about your key success during the last 6 months? And is any key success and improvement that you feel that you contributed to your team during last few months?
Well, thank you so much. For the last 6 months, I do believe I've been able to learn so much with regards to my job role. So those has been my success areas as well. I had certain set of goals to achieve, and I believe I'm doing well. And with regards to my contribution to the team, I've done my level best to be a good team player, to be there for my colleagues, and to ensure that the job given to us is delivered on time and as expected.
All right. So tell me about key areas where you encountered difficulties, any challenges that led you to face it.
So as you know, in our job we meet different customers every single day, and since I'm new in this job role, I have to definitely, there's the communication barrier. Since we have different customers that come from different places, sometimes English can become a challenge. So those have been some of the challenges that I've come across. And also being able to do the job or the movement I'm given definitely on time, depending on the distance and everything. Those are some of the challenges, but I'm learning to overcome them and improve on them every day.
All right. Okay. Since we talk about your contribution to your team, let's talk about your individual performance. Have you identified any specific individual performance that you achieved so far successfully, and also if anything that you couldn't achieve?
Well, I'm a very positive person. I would like to believe so. And with that in mind, I'll start with the positive things.
That's very good.
That I
Yes.
think I've achieved so far. So on-time performance, I do my level best to be able to be at work on time, to ensure that if any job that's given to me, I carry it within the stipulated time that I'm supposed to, so that the next one is not delayed at any point in time as well. And I've also tried my level best to ensure that I have zero complaints, because that's very, very important as well in
That's
this,
very true.
in this job role. Yes.
All right. Have you ever thought about the reason why you could not achieve those achievements? Any strategies that you would not allow to approach them better way?
Certainly, I would say when it comes to the reason behind it, like I said, I still have a lot to learn. And the strategies, like for example, for being able to get to ensure that I have zero complaint, is by me ensuring that I make sure that I check being able to check properly about the customer that I'm supposed to meet, being able to ensure that I know the expectations that they have of me, and also to be able to go above and beyond what they expect of me, so that I can be able to even get compliments from that.
Certainly. How do you feel about the support system at work? How do you view it? Your supervision from your superiors? How is the view about that?
Well, at work, to be honest, the support has been great in the last 6 months, starting all the way from your office, all the way down to my fellow hostesses. And I really, really appreciate that because it makes your work easier. But we do have certain individuals, or sometimes you find that certain colleagues are doing things in a different way, or everybody has a different pattern in which they are, either they're doing the movements or doing the handovers and certain things like that.
So do you think that we could do some training in order to address this issue so that everybody get a good understanding about what we are doing, and also everybody will well known how to access the information? Do you think that would help?
Most certainly, I believe if you have information about something, you can be able to carry forward your way, to carry your job well. So definitely, if there is more channels for us to access more information and to know more about the job, especially for people who are new like myself, that will really, really be great for to improve in the way that we can achieve our goals as individuals and as a team.
All right. Let's arrange to have that happen. Hopefully, starting from next month. But do you have any other suggestion that we could do better to address these issues?
Communication, I believe, in our line of work is very important. If we can just ensure that communication is cascaded well down, especially let's say from your office all the way to the lower levels, like to the hostesses, without being distorted in between, that would really, really be great help to us.
But I'm really happy that you're bringing the initiative, your initiative that you're bringing up these issues. So in order to address these issues of lack of communication, do you think that having a monthly meeting with all the colleagues and your superiors along with the managers would help to resolve this problem?
Certainly, actually that would be a very good way to go about it, because an open forum, it's like a one-on-one, whereby if we have a problem or a situation or a challenge that we're facing, we can raise it up. It's an open area, an open space, and the managers can be able to get the problem that we are facing straight, and there will be resolutions and solutions that can be created there, and everybody will be okay with that. I believe that would be very nice. Thank you.
About your career aspirations and career targets, do you have identified any career targets, goals, and future career plans?
Certainly. Well, thank you so much. That's a very good question, and I really do love being part of this company and being part of this team.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you. And with that in mind, I would really, because I do believe that I do have, I'm able to face challenges whenever they are brought to me, and I would really like to become part of the seniors so that I can be able to help with leadership and also with propelling our team to where it's supposed to be, the greatest heights. So those are my career goals as for the moment.
All right. From my perspective, Nila, I really appreciate your good work. I also got good feedback from your colleagues that you're doing a great job, and I really appreciate that. And I can see a good improvement since we met from last time. Yeah. So, is there anything that you wanted to highlight today before we wind up, or any support that I can help you as the line manager?
Well, thank you so much. However, for now, I believe not yet, but maybe in the near future. Thank you.
All right. Okay. So before we wind up, I would like to review and summarize that what we have agreed and then what we talk about today. Okay. So having said that, we agreed to have some trainings to all colleagues in order to have proper understanding and gather a lot of information related to the movement or anything related to what you're doing daily basis. So I'm certainly going to note on that, and I will work on that hopefully next month, because we also need to have some time to prepare for that. as well as we also talk about the monthly meeting. It will definitely help everybody to meet up together and then discuss anything in open forum.
Certainly.
Right. So once again, I really appreciate your good work and keep it up. Also, wish you all the best
Thank you
in
so
your
much.
career goals.
Thank you.
See you next time.